Hey, what up? What's good? Still on full of trades. I just got here. I don't know why it took me so long, bro, to even start this, but welcome to my trading journey. From now on, going forward, I'm gonna start documenting my trade. I don't know why it took me so long, man, to start this journey. I've been like contemplating about it for a long time. Now I think is the time, cause concerning trading, man, it was difficult, man. I've been going like up and down. You know what I mean? Losing trade, blowing accounts, coming back, thinking that I got a new strategy, applying the strategy, winning few, losing, blowing accounts again. Bro, it was a roller coaster journey until we got here. Now, since I'm here, I think I'm ready to document my trade. I think it's one thing that's actually gonna make me keep me disciplined. You know what I mean? Yeah, I think it's one thing that's gonna keep me disciplined. So it's a new journey for me. Still on full of trades. I would like you to subscribe to this channel, cause it's gonna be a journey to the up. We ain't no more going backwards, bro. We feeling forward. That's what it is. Cause recently I've seen that I've becoming profitable. You know what I mean? That's why I'm even have the confidence to start this journey. So that's what it is, man. I just wanna like put that out there so that you know why I'm here for. Subscribe, leave a comment, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my trades.